Hey beauties, welcome back. Today I'll be showcasing Sensational's butter lace wig in the style Mermaid Mood in the color 1B. Stay tuned and let's get to it.
I like how you wrap around the edges, hanging on your chest in my bed now. Loving all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah, I do the way I do. And they don't.
Alright beauties, I tried this unit on off camera, so I could get a picture of what I'm working with right here. So y'all know I'm just gonna lace tint spray this unit, and I am light warm brown. Yeah, I got it on, and what are we thinking about this unit? What are we thinking? Y'all see the smiles. So you know, I'm really feeling this unit. I had to make sure everything was like lined up, the ear tabs and everything like that, so I could be giving stock model card. Y'all, this wig is gonna be something serious. I can already see. I'm not a bang girl, but y'all did something with that one. This will be a glueless install just by the fit. Y'all, I'm not a yapper when I'm doing my wig installs. I know that I'm pretty much to the point, but y'all, this one, it's very lightweight, and I love the curls on this unit. The body, the layers, and all that. So I won't have to do too much for this unit. So before I cut my lace and everything, y'all, I want to show my new wig setup. Y'all, I got this mirror from Walmart, and it really just helps me to get organized and keep all of my stuff down on this little tray. I got my scissors, hairpins, clamps, foundation, and my brush to put everything on. But yeah, and the edge control I use to slick down my edges, y'all. I'm still using this elf. Keep reaching for it, so I must love it. But yeah, let's get into cutting this lace.
Guess it's over now. If you think I don't know by now, can we slow it down and sort it out? You gotta love me in the morning, baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know it. And if you ever home alone, me in your company, I'll sleep right on. Maybe I'll be right, yeah.
Ladies, I am so hyped about Miss Mermaid Mood. This is an everyday style wig that you can plop her on and go. The lace on this unit is impeccable, A1, and she's big hair friendly and very comfortable on this dome of mine. Now I wanted to put some dry shampoo on this unit to cut down shine some, but I was all out. I highly recommend this beauty, and she's the one to watch out for. Until next time, beauties, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in another one. Bye.